Welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK, where it's Christmas time and I'm visiting my lovely mum and Brian for Christmas. And in this video my mum is going to share with you her favourite gadgets for saving time and labour around the house. Now it's Christmas time and my mum and Brian are very clever because they've set up their conservatory as a bedroom, but it leads to a problem. What's this, Mum?
This is the condensation remover that it squeegees the window, it takes the water off the window into this tank, which you can empty when the tank gets full.
Here's the condensation down here in the bottom of the window. Turn it on. And what would happen to that water if you didn't?
Black mould.
Black mould all over the windows, and we don't want that, do we? Because we want to look at your lovely view down your garden. So that's the first of your many wonderful gadgets. And what's that called?
It's the Karcher window vac.
And where can people get that if they want one?
Look at the link below. These are hand warmers that you can recharge, keep in your hand, put in your pocket, when you put in your gloves, when you're going to stand at the bus stop. See, it's in the glove. My hand is toasty warm.
So you gave up your driving licence recently and you're spending a lot more time on public transport. So these are great for keeping your hands warm. So you put them in your gloves.
Yes.
When you're walking, and when you stood at the bus stop you put them in your pockets.
Yes.
And they keep your hands warm.
Yes.
And they're rechargeable. So you can plug them in every time you come home. And where can people get these if they want them?
On the link.
The link below this video.
The link below this video.
Brilliant.
This is a really handy gadget for when you've had messy visitors. This coffee table is full of crumbs that have got left on the surface and in the cracks. And what's really good about this G-Tech multivac is it's got a brush attachment on the end and you can get in all the nooks and crannies with these bristles. And it's really lightweight, even I can handle it, and it's got lots of attachments to put on that end.
Sounds great, Mum. Where can people get one if they want one?
Look at the link below this video. This is my soap dispenser. When I'm in the shower and I want to put some Dove body wash onto my scrunchie, I can't cope with the scrunchie and squeezing a bottle and myself. So I can get the soap dispenser, put my scrunchie underneath, press on it like that, and the soap just comes out automatically.
And where can people get hold of one of those soap dispensers and a scrunchie if they need one?
Look at the link below this video. This is my rechargeable vacuum cleaner. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to use. It's got a light at the front, it goes right to the edges, and it's got a big canister to collect the waste, and it's very easy to empty.
And tell me, Mum, if somebody really wanted one of those vacuum cleaners, where could they get one?
Look at the link below this video.
Now, Mum, you've just cooked us a lovely full English breakfast and we're in your kitchen. Tell me, what's the next gadget you want to show us?
Well, this is amazing. When you want to wash your hands and you've got messy hands and you don't want to get hold of any soap, you just put your hands under there, look. It's a rechargeable soap dispenser.
That you don't have to touch. Now, that's brilliant because whenever I'm going under the sink for the washing up liquid, I've got greasy fingers all over the door handles, all over the washing up liquid bottle. But this one, you show me again. Isn't that amazing? Now, if I wanted to buy one of those, where might I be able to find one?
On the link below the video. This gadget's used every day by my husband. It's a circulation improver. Turn it on, you put your feet on the pads and the vibrations make your blood course. And that good circulation keeps my 85-year-old husband going to the shops every morning and bringing back anything we need. From the link below this video.
Now then, Mum, I can see you putting your miniature vacuum cleaner to good use. But what's that?
What this? This is a rechargeable electronic candle lighter.
That is absolutely magic.
No more trying to strike soggy matches on a damp matchbox with this electronic rechargeable candle lighter.
That is amazing. And where might people be able to get any of your household gadgets if they wanted to find them?
Check the link below the video.
Well, thanks, Mum, for that wonderful roundup of your household gadgets at Christmas time. And remind me, where can people get these things if they want them?
Check the link below the video.